Hello, welcome back to this should be actually I did function composition, so let me refresh. Why is it not visible? I might have not submitted it. Yeah, I've written everything and everything. Okay, so let me quickly submit it. Yeah, it worked. Now let's go back to the great. So welcome to part 9, 4, 4, part 9 of this 30 days JavaScript challenge, and let's do return length of arguments passed. Okay, that should be straightforward. The length of this is 1 because there is only one argument. I don't think it's constraint is a valid JSON array. They actually did this. They actually gave this what? Let me check whether I'm thinking. Like if it is just this, why did they? Okay, let me submit. Okay, it worked. This was kind of unexpected. It should. This was not a good question. That's it. Thank you. Bye bye.